So the real question and why we're really here today is why Atlan, right? Why did we pick Atlan out of all the possible tools in the space, right? So there are a couple things we were looking for. One is while historically financial services and NASDAQ has been not so open to SaaS solutions, we really wanted to embrace SaaS in areas that we thought it makes sense. This is one of the areas that we felt SaaS was a really good solution for us, particularly looking into what security measures are in place, right? We do a lot with private linking between our Redshift instances and Atlan to make sure that our networks are secure and that Atlan can only access the resources they need. Uh, Again, we wanted to make sure that out of the box, it integrated with some of the other tools we were looking at, DBT and Redshift being the primary focus, Monte Carlo being the next one. So Atlan checked that box. We wanted something that had a robust API offering because we have our own in-house ingestion engine. We want to tie this into Atlan at some point so that we can have a comprehensive view of what's going on. The cost of the product, obviously important, right? If something's too costly, you're not going to be able to use it. Ability to really customize our own users and roles to match our needs. Training and education. We wanted a company who is willing to come in and help provide our users some training so they can get up to with the tool quickly. Business glossary, a way for the business team to define terms that they use, security, as I mentioned, and then easy for our end users to really dive into and get access and not really have to get a lot of training if they didn't need it. So that's really why we ended up picking Atlan. And one other thing that I would point that's not on the slide is that we were also looking for a partner. And what we found in Atlan, and we didn't know this when we signed with them necessarily, we took a leap of faith, is that we were going to get a great partner, someone who was really willing to take us on this journey and work with us through a lot of the details that we were figuring out and are still figuring out. And I don't think all companies are created equally that way. And Atlan has done a really great job in that space and really enabled us to move this initiative forward.